Hi, my name is Joseph. I love contributing to open source projects and answering questions on Stack Overflow. I have a few crazy hobbies, like eating the world's most hottest chili peppers. Over the past few years, my team's mission is to fight hackers who attack developers through open source code. Hackers publish hundreds and thousands of malicious packages every single day to open source ecosystems such as Nugget, NPM, Python, and more. On the other hand, there are quite a few developers who fall into the trap and install those packages. And the truth is, I don't blame them, since it's so easy to fall victim to these attacks. Recently, my team discovered a malicious Python package that, upon installation, opens a remote control connection to the hacker who created it. I must say, my team bumps into many malicious packages every day, and this is nothing new to us. Out of curiosity, I decided to perform a proactive experiment to find out who's behind this, what was his end goal, and to simply troll that attacker. I created a virtual lab environment, infected it with that malicious package, and waited to see what would happen.
A few minutes later.
It didn't take much long before the network capture in my environment recorded the attacker started sending commands such as create new files, read sensitive files, and change settings. I decided to take this experiment one step further. I wrote a script in Python, which is in my opinion the best programming language exists today. Using RowSocket, I connected to the attacker's server, and instead of executing the command sent, I chose to type custom results and send it back to the attacker. Ended up with a very short and simple script. I executed the script, the attacker connected and started sending commands. He understood that something was not right when he sent the command, "Who am I?" And I responded with, "Who are you?" ? The attacker claimed that he is a security researcher, and when I asked why he's doing this, he responded that he was just checking internal system. Okay, I got you.
But before you lie about lying.
After a short conversation, it seems the attacker panicked, since he uploaded a new version of his package without the remote control part. That's it, guys. Just be careful. Next time you think of running code you found on the internet, it might have been published by an attacker.